Hello ladies and gentlemen, today with BK. I've got all of this off, clean it up to put the volant, you might say volant, whatever you want to say, cold air intake. See my other video if you don't mind, I appreciate it. But this is for the bypass, the throttle body. Your coolant lines come through here, goes underneath into the throttle body, back out here. So that warms up the throttle body. So when we're 180, 190, that's what it's sending through the throttle body. So going to make your throttle body warmer. Made in USA by Hawks Motorsports. They are actually local to me. They're great. Even this, if you notice, they have reproduction of the original lights now that a lot of people are going for. They call the Acorn lights. But they have really good products. I mean, once again, made in USA. It's really nice looking. I'm gonna install that real quick. Just be careful when you do it. If it's warm at all, you're gonna have radiator fluid coming through. So what you want to do is have these tips already there, and then put them on, and that way you can kind of minimize that mess. But either way, it's going to be a little pain to do. So let's get it on there. Okay, so let's see. There's the barb. I pushed and pushed to get that one on. This one's a little bigger line. So, but there's the cover, and that's a bigger barb than this piece here. So I'm going to use one of these worm clamps on that, and probably on this one too, just to be safe. Minimal antifreeze came out. Zip tied it here and here to the AC line and to the actual upper radiator hose. That should be fine. As you can see, vibration is not going to hit the pulley, and then we should be able to get the bullet system on. All right. Well, I hope that works for you. I know it didn't show a lot. The reason is this one is really hard to get it off of. That line right there is very hard to get off of. So that's the biggest part. You just use some different tools. I use these Harbor Freight tools. That is really good, just a screwdriver to pull back on it. And then there you go. It's bypass. We won't have that 190, 200 degree temperature going through the throttle body. So I hope this helps anybody. It's a short video. This is something that I see a lot of people do. There's one person, Green Lightning. Is it Green Lightning Productions? He does a fantastic job of showing you the temperature before and afterwards on the throttle body. So I look forward to that with the cold air intake, see what difference we can have. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, share this. Today with BK out.